I like how we vibing. 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 I like how we vibing.
This video is sponsored by our channel sponsor, which is 015. You can find them on 015.co.za for some premium web hosting from as little as 45 Rand 90 cents. I mean, 45.90. Think about it. That's not a lot. And you will get some premium domains. And I personally would advise you on getting maybe the Supreme or the Executive packs, because it comes with a lot of benefits and a lot more storage. And you can host multiple websites on one package, you know. And this is, since we are talking businesses and growing your businesses, you can actually get your business registered by them. And there's some benefits, you know. You can get a name reservation, company registration, a certificate, income tax number, and you can even get a free.co.za domain if you pick one of the higher packages, or you can get a free QuickBooks subscription for 3 months. For 3 months. Yo, that's nice. You know, that's really, really nice. And if you want a website, they can actually develop a website for you at a very affordable rate of starting from 2,100, excluding VAT, I think. But it's not a lot. Think about it. 2,100. You spend a lot more on other things. But yeah, and once again, executive plans and supreme plans, you literally get free domains. They, for the first year, they are literally out here trying to win you guys over. Anyway, let's continue with the video. So welcome to the second official video of this season 2. So this is going to be our second episode, which is registering for QuickBooks Online. And yeah, let's not waste any more time. So let's go. So it's going to be QuickBooks Online. Let's see what comes up. quickbooks.intuit.com. Then what's going on? Let's click on free trial here, because this thing doesn't want to go down. So I'm going to use connect at CP Online 0.0. Let's use Sean. You're about to see my surname too. And then number is 068 296 4778. Let's see. Don't use. I want to pick my own password. What happened? Hopefully they won't ask me for a credit card. So let's see what happens. Guess they haven't. I'm gonna use MCP Online, or let's just say the compliance clinic as the name. And then we're going to say we are a PTY, so private limited company. We're just going to say company. Wait, let me go back and check. Private limited. Yeah, I'm going to say private limited. PTY. And then let's say 1 to 2 years. Industry. Let's look for consulting. Professional services, that's the one. Next, we want to send invoices, organize our expenses, track invoices, and track bills. And we are all done. Let's see. And voila. That is that. The next thing that's left for us, let's go here and set it up. We are going to account settings. This is some of the things that you should first do before you even start operating or doing anything. Business registration. Here you'll put in the CIPC number. So let's say this is your number. I apologize. I'm just putting in a random number. Yeah. And then VAT number, we're just going to put a random VAT number too. Okay, save. And then industry, we are done. Website, we'll just say www.mcponline.za. Address. Let us say let's do that. Let's say save. Then billing and subscription, we are not here yet. So this series should be done by the end of next month. In order for us to actually, we'll cancel the trial before then, but yeah. Sales. Most people, I would rather put this on due on receipt, because you forget that it's better for you to rather change it to due in 30 days manually. So most of the time it's better for you to just receive it, put it on due on receipt, and then you're gonna do the discount, deposit, and I'm gonna also do the service date just for the sake of this tutorial. And press save. We're not gonna do shipping. And then products, we are literally going to show, we can show that quantity and rate. We're not gonna track stock quantity on hand. No, we're not doing it from we're gonna do it from a service provider perspective. Actually, no, I'm gonna do it from both sides. So I'm gonna do that, which uses first in, first out, which is fine. And then show product service column. Yeah, I'll leave that there for now. Item taxable on expense, it's fine. Processing invoice. No, I'm not gonna do anything here. Send default and write-ups for invoices. It's not that important here. Let's look at that. Online invoice, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. We're happy. I'm happy with that. And then I could customize the invoice, but for now I'm gonna leave it as standard. We'll customize it once I've uploaded the logo and everything, but for now I'm not gonna do anything. Actually, no, I am. Excuse me. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna leave these as default. I'm gonna leave these on default. Time, we're not gonna do anything on time. That's fine. Advanced. Here we go. Financial year end or first month of the year. I'm gonna say March. Exclusive of tax. Yeah, that's fine. That's that. And then charts of account, I'm gonna leave them as they are. This, I'm gonna say classes. I'm gonna do that. And location, save. And then we only got one currency. I'm not going to change it to multiple currencies for now. That's that. And then let's go to expenses. Let's see, we're happy with that. The look and feel, that's what I want to go back to and do that. So this is the standard invoice. So what you can do is you can create multiple ones. So for now, this is what it looks like, and I'm quite happy with it. The only thing that I want to add is the EFT here. So I'll add payment. So name. The compliance clinic bank. We'll just stick with our favorite bank, FNB. They still haven't paid me a check for this, but FNB. Branch. Account number. Let's say account number. I'm gonna say number. So just, if this is your account number, don't blame it on me. This is all for tutorial purposes. Branch code 250255, I think. Reference, invoice number. So this, I'm going to say thank you for your business. Please use invoice number as reference. There you go. That's about it. You can even customize the email. So for example, here, we appreciate your invoice. Please find the invoice here. Feel free to contact. We're happy. I'm happy with that. Yeah. So I'm just gonna say preview, and this is what it looks like. Let me allow pop out, and this is what it looks like. This is what your invoice is gonna look like. See? Voila. Yes, so that's what's gonna look like. Close that, done. And yeah, so we've customized that. So I think that's basically us having done the registration. I don't think there's anything else we're gonna do for now. I'll upload the logo and other things later. You're gonna find the logo. It's just that we have stored it. It's a bit private, but you'll find the logo when we do our next one. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Love, peace, and prosperity. Don't forget to check us out on all platforms. And yeah, love, peace, and prosperity.